Ready to unlock a passive income stream by selling custom-designed products on Amazon without holding any inventory? First, head over to Printify.com and create a free account. It's a simple process, just follow the prompts to register. Now, connect your Amazon Seller Central account to Printify. This is crucial for pushing your products and fulfilling orders. You'll find the integration options within your Printify settings. Browse Printify's extensive product catalog. Consider what's trending and what you're passionate about. Shirts, mugs, posters, the possibilities are endless. Next, create your designs. Use Printify's built-in design tool or upload your own graphics. Ensure your designs are high resolution and optimized for the chosen product. Now, publish your products from Printify directly to your Amazon store. Craft compelling titles and descriptions. Price your products competitively. When a customer buys your product on Amazon, Printify automatically handles the printing and shipping. Finally, analyze your sales data. Optimize your product listings and experiment with new designs to maximize your profit.